No one is going to give you the education you need to overthrow them. These systems will teach you how to navigate gates and gaps to be good colonizers. By the way, I went all the way with my colonial education, and I believe there are tools that we can use for our purposes. But there's never been a time in the history of humans when the oppressor liberated the oppressed. The oppressed have always had to fight for their liberation. And make no mistake, that is what language revitalization is about, is our liberation from the colonial yoke. So being good at the Jaganash systems is not an end or a solution to our problems. It is a double-edged sword that provides both certain types of boosts and certain types of barriers, where there are sacrifices made and some things gained. Like when you have the PhD, then they give you less crap about your program. They're more likely to give you the grant. You don't have to ask the Jaganash to be your linguist. You be the linguist. There are advantages to those tools, but that's not going to solve all the things. Same thing with all the technological applications and everything else. We have to think carefully about which things we pick up and how we use them in which contexts.